Very good morning, students, and welcome back to the grammar classes. Our topic for the day is Present Continuous Tense, Chapter 13. As we know, children, that tense is a form of verb that tells about the timing of an action. So today, we will learn that which form of verb is used in present continuous tense. So this is how we can define the present continuous tense. The present continuous, also called the present progressive, is a verb form that combines the present tense with the continuous aspect. If we talk about the form of present continuous tense, then it is V4. The present participle or the continuous form of verb is made by combining the first form of verb, that is V1, with ing. V1 plus ing makes the V4, the continuous form of verb. Now, let us see, children, how to make the fourth form of verb, the continuous form, from the first form or the simplest form of verb. First, for the verbs that ends with E, we have to replace the E with ing. For example, achieve, it ends with E. So we replace E with ing and it becomes achieving. Advise becomes advising. Drive becomes driving. Balance becomes balancing. Take becomes taking. Number second, for the verbs that ends with ie, we have to replace ie with y and we have to add ing. For example, lie. Here it ends with ie. So we have to replace ie with y and then we have to add ing. So lie becomes lying. Die becomes dying. And tie becomes tying. Third, for the verbs that ends with a consonant. Here we have to repeat the last letter and add ing. For example, admit, it ends with a consonant T. Okay, so we have to repeat the last letter, that is T, and we have to add ing. So admit will become admitting. Begin will become beginning. Refer will become referring. Travel will become traveling. Now, let us see, children, how to make declarative sentences in present continuous tense with different subjects. So we have to follow some very simple rules to make declarative sentences in present continuous tense. First, in first person singular, the subject is I. The rule is I plus am plus V4, the continuous form of verb. Example, I am playing. In plural form, first person is we. The rule is we plus are plus V4. Example, we are playing. In second person singular, the subject is you. And the rule is you plus are plus V4. Example, you are singing. In second person plural, that is also you, the rule is you plus are plus V4. Example, you are singing. These two forms look exactly same, but there is a difference, children. Here we are talking about only one person, and here we are talking about more than one person. Now, third person singular, the subject is he, she, it, or any single name. The rule is he, she, it, or single name plus is plus V4. For example, he is running. She is dancing. Rohan is studying. And for third person plural, the subject is they or any plural name. The rule is they or plural name plus are plus V4. For example, they are leaving. Seema and Raju are drawing the picture. So this is how, children, we make the declarative sentences in present continuous tense. Now let us see how to make negative sentences in present continuous tense. So for making negative sentences in present continuous tense, here also we have to follow certain very simple rules. For first person singular, that is I, the rule is I plus am plus not plus the fourth form of verb. For example, I am not eating. For first person plural, that is we, the rule is we plus are plus not plus fourth form of verb. For example, we are not playing. For second person singular, that is you, the rule is you plus are plus not plus fourth form of verb. For example, you are not going. For second person plural, that is also you, the rule is you plus are plus not plus V4. Example, you are not singing. Here the both look same, but the only difference is here we are talking about only single person and here we are talking about more than one persons. Now third person singular, the subject is he, she, it or any single name. The rule is he, she, it or single name plus is plus not plus fourth form of verb. For example, he is not studying. She is not sleeping. Single name, Rohan is not playing. For third person plural, that is they or any plural name, the rule is they or plural name plus are plus not plus fourth form of verb. For example, they are not dancing. Plural name, Raj and Riya are not walking. So this is how, children, we make the negative sentences in present continuous tense. Now let us see, children, how to make interrogative sentences in present continuous tense. Now for making interrogative sentences in present continuous tense, here also we have to follow some very simple rules. For first person singular, that is I, we have to add am in the beginning and the fourth form of verb after I. For example, am I going to picnic? Now, for first person plural, that is we, second person singular and plural, that is you, and third person plural, that is they and plural name, we have to add are in the beginning and the fourth form of verb afterwards. For example, are we singing together? Are you preparing for exams? Are they playing well? Are Raman and Rahul going to school? For third person singular subject, that is he, she, it or any single name, we have to add is in the beginning and the fourth form of verb afterwards. For example, is he baking the cake? Is she cooking the food? Is Rahul sleeping? So this is how, children, we make interrogative sentences in present continuous tense. Now, children, let us see some of the uses of present continuous tense. First, to talk about activities continuing only for a limited time. Here, we can limit the duration of an activity. For example, I am watching TV for 2 hours only. Here, we have limited the duration of watching TV. That is for 2 hours. Example 2. We are going on a holiday for 3 days. Here, we have limited the holiday, the duration of holiday for 3 days. Use number 2. To talk about actions planned for near future. Here, we can talk about actions not going on at the moment but will be happening in near future. For example, I am singing a patriotic song on Republic Day. Here, the one is not singing at the moment but will be singing in near future on Republic Day. Example 2. I am visiting my uncle next week. Here, the one is not visiting his uncle right now, but will be visiting in near future, that is next week. Use number 3. To describe an action that happens as a regular habit. Here, we talk about things that one does very frequently or it's a habit. For example, children are always making noise in absence of teacher. That's correct. It's a habit of a children to make noise in the absence of teacher. Example 2. Rahul is always busy singing songs. It's a habit that Rahul keeps singing all the time. Example 3. Players are always practicing during the day. It's the habit of players to practice during the daytime. Okay, children. So this is it from present continuous tense. I hope this video will be helpful to you in understanding the concept of present continuous tense. It will be more useful if you will try to use this concept in making the sentences in present continuous tense with different subjects. Your assignment is you have to try to complete the exercise of chapter 13, that is present continuous tense, and solution to it will be given to you very soon. Till then, thank you very much and God bless you all.